Kudos go out tonight to dozens of students at UCSB's Gevirtz School and this year's fellowship recipients. Celebrating tomorrow's Changemakers was the theme of this morning's annual fellowship breakfast. A total of 59 students received funds from 25 different fellowships this academic year, including the Delane Easton Fellowship for those showing academic promise and first in their family to attend graduate school, and the Dr. Sabrina Tuyai Memorial Fellowship, helping teachers become critical thinkers by pushing boundaries to ensure students learn to read, write, and think. Anna Mercado, a first-generation college student, received the Tuyai Fellowship. Mateo Ochoa, a native Santa Barbaran, received two, the Dr. J Fellow and Laura E. Settle Fellow.
I hope that my students will see that if a brown individual with a learning disability can teach, then any of them can do whatever they desire.
I want to be able to hopefully live on Dr. Tuyai's legacy by going back to Los Angeles, where I'm from, and really teaching students out there to find value and love for where they come from and who they are.
Dean Jeffrey Milem says these fellows are positioned to be change makers of the highest order. Congratulations to all.
A preparation